Hello, everyone. This is the video for the beginning of week 15, end of week 14, right? Just some updates for everybody. It's more of things that you probably have already noticed if you've been following along with the pacing. Hopefully the pacing has been helping out for everybody. For the most part, when I look at the homeworks and how much people have turned in, for the most part, people are there. So which is good. Okay. For this video, intros and outros of stuff. I've got section 5.5 info that I got to tell you guys. Exam 2, exam 3, final exam that's going to be coming up in the next 2 weeks about. Basically, those three things are going to be a little bit more of calendars of events, really. Um, and then practice exams. Okay. So first of all, intro, outro. So the stuff that you should have done last week, according to the pacing guide, right, was finish up chapter 5. Okay. Um, so chapter 5 dealt with the integral, the antiderivative. Okay. And last week you should have gotten all the way through to chapter 5.5. Now, here's the thing that I wanted to mention about section 5.5. The notes weren't up. Somebody brought it up to my attention at office hours earlier today. I did mean to change them because there were no quick checks on there, the original version. So I want to put some quick checks on there so that you guys can at least practice it with no penalty. Okay. So that's up. That's ready to go. The notes are already there. You can go ahead and go through them. Okay. That's it for section 5.5 in terms of the intro and outro stuff. Intro this week and next week is all exams. Okay. Um, let me for this week that's coming up. You do have a third exam. It's a short exam. It's only 5 questions, and it's just me testing you on chapter 5 solely to give you guys some practice on it. Okay. As per usual, right? I'll have the practice exam up. I'll It's going to be fixed up so that honor lock shows up for it. Okay. And everybody will get, in this case, and there's a reason for it, and we're going to give everybody 15 attempts. Okay. Um, which brings me up to exam 2 and exam 3. Okay. Exam 2, I haven't graded yet. I am gonna get to that. That's the next thing on my radar. Okay, so you should be seeing once things get graded, a 0 is gonna pop up under your write-up. Once I do that, I'll leave notes, and your grade should change automatically if you get any partial points. Okay. Exam 3, like I said, all of this week, I'm gonna put up a practice exam for it, so that everybody can try them out, right? And then final exam is I'm thinking I usually try to do it the very last day, and I think excuse me, I'm thinking I might have it um, open from Thursday the 11th all the way through to Sunday the what is that going to be? 13th, 14th, something like that. Okay, to give everybody enough time over the weekend or during the week to get it done. Okay. Same thing. I have to have an instance of honor lock open for you. You must submit a write-up for it, and you must submit it within the time allotted. For the final exam, it's going to be a 2-hour exam, so you're going to get the 2 hours plus an additional 15 minutes at the end to make sure you can turn in your write-up. Okay. And the last thing that brings me to is practice exams. You probably heard me say that exam 3 practice exam is going to have 15 attempts. And the reason why is I'm gonna open up the previous practice exams to allow everybody to get some more attempts in. If you didn't get points or you didn't do it or you skipped it, those are worth points. Okay. If you didn't do it, you didn't have time to do it, you didn't get the highest grade, that's okay. I'll open it up again. Okay. I'm going to add 10 additional attempts for the practice exams for exam 1 and 2. And then your practice exam 3 is going to have 15 attempts just so that you can practice. Practice, practice, practice. Okay. The final exam will consist of problems from exam 1, exam 2, exam 3. Okay. So it is to everybody's benefit within the next 2 weeks to attempt the practice exam as best as possible, as many times as you can. Okay, to get not only the highest grade, but to get some exposure and to show the work for the problems that might show up on the actual test. Okay. Um, and then that's it. That's it. Um, I won't be making another one of these until probably after the class is done. There's really not many other updates that I need to provide anybody, right? Um, Other than I need to grade your guys' stuff. That's it. That's the big update, right? Um, Once I do have more information, usually Office of Instruction gives us a deadline for when we have to turn in grades and stuff like that. So when I get that information, I will pass it along to you in the final update. Um, no matter what, though, like I keep saying, right, I'm on Pronto, I'm on email, I'm in my office during office hours, I'm in the tutoring lab during office hours, I'm somewhere in the math building during office hours. So if you're on campus somewhere, and you need to talk to me, this is a bunch of you have done this already. Go into the math lab, go in the tutoring center, go into the my office, and I'll probably be there from around what 11:30 to 2:30, somewhere about there, right? So if you need to catch me, that's the best place to do it. Okay. Outside of that, if there's any other questions, make sure to contact me. Make sure to contact me. Okay. In terms of this video, I think I'm done. Yeah. All right. Happy studying.